we had like the lifeguard stand as a prop? That way you're still backlit, and that way we're still like facing the direction with. So I'm gonna trade you one more time. Boom. All right. Let me grab it.
Yeah.
Got it.
Ooh, oh my gosh, this looks
Maybe.
fire.
I'm going to throw the 85 on,
That looks so good.
and we'll get like a little tighter. It's just gonna bring a little more compression to where like the lifeguard stand will come a little further. So just like there's
Zooms out a
less.
little
Yeah, so like you'll see essentially more of this and less of like the cropping. Because I'm on the farthest I can go right now is 70. Awesome.